my mini Shop-Vac 1.5 US gallon, 5.6 liters, 2 horsepower. I like my little Shop-Vac because I can hang it in the garage and it has the hanging attachment as well. I usually use this for my car cleaning, but today I'm bringing it in because I made a little mess inside the house. So the Shop-Vac has just an easy on and off button. This side is for the suction. On this side, the air blows out, so if you want to use it as a blower, you can use this side. And then this pops off quite easily, and inside this red bin is where the dirt will collect, and it has a built-in filter. So right now, my cat has made a mess of foam here, and we're going to just vacuum that up. The one thing I don't like about this Shop-Vac is this very short cord, but I think the Shop-Vacs do this because we always would connect it to an extension. Anyhow, whatever job we're doing, we need an extra long cord. So they just put a standard size cord. So this little vacuum is very powerful and it does a great job for any jobs you need. If ever you'd want to use it as a blower, you can just put the hose in on this side, use it as a blower. And the cord is short. You would put it into an extension, but ensure that your extension is a 3-prong. To clean out my Shop-Vac, I just pop these two side portions off, and here's the filter. So here are my attachments. I have this one here, or this one. I highly recommend this great little Shop-Vac. It's compact, it's powerful, it'll get the job done, and it's affordable. It's a great buy.